This connection's fading now. In the static, hear the doubt. Close the door. You've got to be strong. A photograph inside my head. She whispers to me from my bed. Every night, a memory song. And every time I close my eyes, turn the page and let me go. Let the silent rivers flow. We're just starlight in the night, burning out with all our might. In the canvas of my heart's design, your silhouette will always shine. Honey, you know I'm trying, but I can't return. A different lesson I now have to learn. The city lights are calling out my name. It'll never be the same. I'm chasing echoes down a lonely road, carrying a heavy load. In this hollow frame where we used to dream, nothing's what turn the page and let me go. Let the silent rivers flow. We're just starlight in the night, burning out with all our might. In the canvas of my heart's design, your silhouette will always shine. She whispers to me every night, a vision in gray, piecing together what we threw away. The echo of your laughing holds me so tight, losing my way in the fading light, losing my sight.